Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make hot cocoa easy. To begin, you will need just a few simple ingredients. Start by gathering 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, measure out 1 cup of your favorite milk. Whole milk often provides the creamiest result. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, as it truly elevates the chocolate's richness. These basic components are the foundation for a delightful cup. Now let's get those dry ingredients perfectly blended. In a small saucepan, combine your 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and that tiny pinch of salt. Whisk them together really well. This crucial step ensures there are no pesky lumps when you add the milk, creating a wonderfully smooth and consistent chocolate base. Taking a moment here makes all the difference for a silky smooth hot cocoa. With your dry ingredients mixed, it's time to introduce the milk. Gradually pour in your 1 cup of milk while continuously whisking over medium heat. Keep whisking gently as the mixture warms up. The goal is to heat it until it's hot and steamy, but be careful not to let it boil. You'll know it's ready when small bubbles begin to form around the edges of the saucepan, indicating perfect warmth. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Carefully pour your freshly made hot cocoa into your favorite mug. Now comes the fun part, garnishing. Feel free to add a generous dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or even a light dusting of cinnamon or chocolate shavings. Take a moment to savor the rich, comforting flavor of your perfectly easy and delicious homemade hot cocoa. Enjoy every warm sip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.